Hello, my name is Samhita Kotapati. I'm a neuroscience student at the University of Michigan, and I'm also an undergraduate research assistant for the U of M Adaptive Sports and Fitness program. My current research specifically focuses on perceptions of disabled athletes on able-bodied participation in adaptive sports. For many currently with disabilities, there are tremendous benefits, both physically and mentally, to participating in adaptive sports and fitness. After an injury or having been born with a physical disability, adaptive sports and fitness has driven many to find a passion in their life. However, there are many barriers, which include financial burdens and lack of participating locations. So, to remedy this, adaptive programs have started expanding their participation to able bodied individuals. For example, an able bodied basketball player sitting in a wheelchair to play wheelchair basketball. As programs continue to expand, there is no clear knowledge about the perceptions of athletes with disabilities on this ongoing participation. Therefore, in our study, we have so far interviewed 15 athletes with disabilities on their perception of able bodied individuals playing adaptive sports. In the interview, they answered a series of questions related to three general topics, which include their experience with adaptive sports, barriers in adaptive sports, and able-bodied athletes' participation in adaptive sports. And based on our initial analysis, there's been a majority consensus that allowing able-bodied athletes to participate in adaptive sports and fitness at a recreational level is acceptable because it would expand programs nationwide and consequently improve their accessibility. However, many subjects also expressed another way to improve adaptive athlete participation within these programs. They explained that physicians have a unique position to educate patients, whether with or without disabilities, about adaptive sports opportunities in their community. They revealed that their passion for adaptive sports could have been inspired a lot sooner if they had learned about it from their physician or other healthcare provider. So, healthcare providers caring for individuals with disabilities have the opportunity to expose these individuals to adaptive sports. By educating providers through medical conferences like these, there's potential for increased participation within programs, which further expands them at all different levels and ages and helps with accessibility to the adaptive world. I encourage every one of you to educate yourself on adaptive sports and fitness programs in your area to be that vessel of communication for your future and current patients. I'd like to thank everyone who's been a part of this research study at the U of M Adaptive Sports and Fitness program. And lastly, if you have any other questions or comments, please feel free to email me at samhitak@umich.edu. Thank you.